Hey guys, it's Kim here, and I wanted to share two of the beaches that I visited when I was in Jamaica with you. If you want to see how much fun I had while I was there, definitely keep watching. So as you guys may know, I'm not a professional model or anything, so I'm just here trying to give you guys some good content, trying to take some photos and stuff like that. So I gave a guy a tip and he was able to help me out with this. But as you can see, I don't know how to sit, how to turn, and I'm just trying to make it work here.
Yeah, mama called me on the phone. She want to know what's really going wrong. But I myself can say.
Please remember to subscribe for more of these videos. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And definitely let me know in the comments below which is your favorite beach. Whether you prefer the Rock Café in Montego Bay or Bamboo Blue in Ocho Rios. See you guys in the next video.